Welcome, this is the DeltaMath tutorial on adding and subtracting polynomials. Here it says to perform the operator. This is an addition of the polynomials. You have negative 10x squared plus 9, and you're going to add that to 8x squared minus 5x plus 7. So the first one is going to be your x squared terms. So it's negative 10x squared plus your 8x squared. So these are your x squared terms. Next, nothing happens here. You just have your negative 5x term. Nothing combines with it. Then you have plus, you have your 9 here, plus your 7. So negative 10x squared plus 8x squared, that gets you negative 2x squared. And you're going to add negative 5x, so minus 5x. Then you're going to add 9 plus 7, which is just 16. So you get negative 2x to the second power minus 5x plus 16. Alright? Good. Next problem. It says to subtract. So it says subtract this from this. So you have this number first. 2x squared minus 2x. And now you're going to subtract this number. Negative 3x squared plus 4x plus 10. So here this is being subtracted from this. That should make sense, right? Negative 3x squared plus 4x plus 10 is being subtracted from this. We don't like the negative, so we're going to distribute to each one of the terms. So negative times a negative becomes positive 3x squared. Then the negative is distribute over to this side. This becomes negative 4x. Then the negative is distribute to the 10, which becomes negative 10. You add, of course. Now you have 2x squared minus 2x. So we can combine some like terms. You have 2x squared plus 3x squared. That's the first one. Then you add negative 2x minus 4x. Then you have add just your negative 10. So 2x squared plus 3x squared becomes 5x squared. Negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. Then you have negative 10. Now we can just type this in. 5x to the second power minus 6x minus 10. Hit submit. Good. Even DeltaMath will show you to distribute that negative over. I put in the parentheses to just showing the combining of like terms. Right. Find the sum. So the sum is just an addition problem. So you have 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. It's a sum, so it's an addition. And the next term is 7x squared plus 7x plus 3. Alright, so your like terms are your 4x squared plus 7x squared. So these are your like terms for being x squared. Add. You have 3x plus 7x. Then you're going to add. Now you have 2 plus 3, which are your constant terms. 4x squared plus 7x squared gets you 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11x squared. Add 3x plus 7x gets you 10x plus 2 plus 3 gets you 5. So you have 11x to the second power plus 10x plus 5. Hit submit. There you go. So showed that there's nothing to distribute because it's already addition, and you just combine the like terms. Again, I put it in the parentheses here to make it easier. Okay, we already did something like that. We already did something like that. Now let's find one more we can do. We could do this. It's the same process as before, but it's a subtraction now. So we have negative 6x squared minus x, subtract. Then you have here negative 4x squared plus 10x minus 1. So distribute this over. Gets you negative times a negative, gets you a positive, so it becomes 4x squared. Then this distributes over, becomes negative 10x. Distribute this over, get you a plus 1. Alright, so this is what you have, and this is what you have, negative 6x squared minus x. Alright, combine your like terms. So you have negative 6x squared plus 4x squared. That's your x squared term. And then you add, you have your negative x, and you have negative 10x. Then you add 1. Right? So these are all your like terms. Negative 6x squared plus 4x squared gets you negative 2x squared. Add negative, there's actually a 1 here. Negative 1x minus 10x gets you negative 11x. And you're going to add 1. Alright? So you can see this as negative 2x squared minus 11x plus 1. Alright, hopefully I did my algebra correctly. Minus 11x plus 1. Hit submit. And that is correct. So again, they're going to tell you to distribute the negative, then combine like terms. So there you go. This is how you add and subtract polynomials.